It is a school of all nations. It is Hillview Primary School, Matanga. I can see all the flags of East Africa. I can see the beauty. Oh my goodness.
Engineer Jamiro, selector.
We brag about who we are because that's who we are. Second to none and a class apart. Gone are days when this was the final destination for school tourism in Uganda. Ladies and gentlemen, may I introduce to you Hillview Primary School, Matanga, the home of international tourism. There is much just beyond these borders, beyond Chisenyi, Wachiseka, Katwe and Chibuye, beyond Masaka, Chiboga, Rengo and Kabulasuke. The world has become a global village, not limited by borders.
An aeroplane is no longer a dream or a success to be celebrated. It's just a means of transport from one destination to another. Normalize the normal, because we are going global. None of the ancestors has ever had one. Guno mulembe nkukakasa, tujja kugusobola.
Mazima.
Anyway, we at Hillview Primary School, Father in a passport, will travel the world and tell the story. Auntie Oktamla Kulaba. Airport is for people of class, thinking outside the box. Our destination was Kigali, Africa's cleanest city, not Kapeka. Flying above the clouds is an experience of the world under your feet, and a revelation of your ability to stand tall and can what the world thinks you can't. Reaching heights others think you can't is motivation to dream even bigger than ever before. Closer to God, you will worship and adore His greatness and creation. You marvel at the creativity of the brains that thought wise that man can also travel in space. Created a spaceship. I know they must have tried several times and failed, but they never gave up. Wow, what a determination. I also came to know innovation goes beyond making liquid soap, candles, or echipoli. But even great things are made by humans, not robots, aliens. Think big, beyond Chikatimwana, Kawanichi, Shechiriwo. The world out there is corporate, profession, organized and so systematic. It's an orderly system. I saw class right from the check-in, on board and off. Oh dear parents, can you hear our call? We have traveled far, we have seen it all. From Uganda's green to Rwanda's hills. Flying above the clouds, we felt the magic. We boarded planes, huts in flight. Above the world in the morning light. Oh, what a wonder, what a sight. To journey beyond, to the world so bright. When the air lifts the dust like birds in the sky. Into the heavens where skies are blue. The sound of the engine, a song so new. And below, we saw the earth so tiny. In Kenya's land, where giraffes roam tall, we met with friends, both big and small. They fed us stories, rich and deep, in colors bright, their memories keep. We danced with the Masai, their feet kissed the ground. The beat of their drums, a powerful sound. Oh Kenya, dear Kenya, with skies so wide, you welcomed us with all hearts open wide. Then Rwanda called us, its hills so green. A land rebuilt with strength unseen. In Kigali, we walked through history's shade and felt the peace its people made. Lake Kivu's waves sang to us. A song of healing, strong and just. We learned that hope can rise again. Through every storm, through every pain. We tasted all foods both strange and sweet. Cassava leaves, a Rwandan treat. We laughed, we shared with friends so dear. We felt at home though far from here. Oh Rwanda, land of hills and peace. You showed us wonders that will never cease. Your heart so warm, your sky so blue. In every face we saw something true.
And now we dream of a place so grand, Johannesburg in South Africa's land,
Wanji.
where lions roar and mountains rise, where freedom's goal lights up the skies. Our hearts set sail to lands unknown, to learn, to grow, and to make our own. A journey south, our spirits free. Oh parents, will you come with me?
Johannesburg!
We are coming.
Dear parents, you gave us wings to fly, to chase our dreams, to touch the sky. We see the world through wider eyes. Its wonders, its whispers, its boundless skies. Because of you, we've touched the stars, traveled near and traveled far. With every step, with every mile, you've taught us courage, joy, and smile. Now we stand here in this place, with tales to tell, with dreams to chase. The world is a village, close and near, a place to love, a place to cheer. So parents, please, don't hold us back. Let us follow adventurous tracks in every country, far or near. We find a family and friends so dear.
Eyo yenjawulo ya Hillview nawalala tuli bakulambula mpaka kuwulira bubi. Ennyonyi tuli bakuzifuula bugaali. Atalina pasipoti olabye ennaku, atalina pasipoti olabye ennaku. Anyway, our parents, thank you for supporting us always. And the next story is a child in Johannesburg. Come next year.
South Africa, tujja!
Okay, we shall